Hello guys, I am Praise from DevCore and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create and integrate a light and dark mode into your website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do over here is to create a div tag, and this div is going to have a class, and the class is going to be container. Then in here we're going to have two tags. The first one is going to be the h1 tag. It's going to have a class of toggle text, and the second one is going to be a button tag. It's going to have a class of toggle button. Toggle. Okay, let's just say toggle btn. So that's it for our HTML, guys. Let's add some style to our code. Firstly, in here we're going to add our variables. The first one is going to be background. The color is going to be white, and the next variable here is going to be color. It's going to be black. Then the last variable is going to be button background. This one is going to be orange. Then next we're going to start our body tag. In here we're going to have background. Then we're going to assign our background variable here to the body background color. Then next we're going to have color. It's going to be the color variable. Then in here we're going to add the transition of all 0.3 seconds. That's it for our body tag. Now we are going to start our dark mode. We're going to call it body.dark. Then in here we're going to have variables also, just with different colors. This one is going to be black, and this one is going to be white, while the button background is going to be red. Then next we're going to start our toggle btn and our toggle text. This one is going to have a font weight of bold, and this one is going to have let's say padding 10px, width 120px, and let's add background. It's going to be we're going to assign this button variable to the background color of the button. Then next we're going to have color. It's going to be white. And then lastly in here we're going to have font size of 14px. So the last thing we're going to start here is our container. The container that holds the button and the text. Container. In here we're going to have display, flex, and align items, center. Also we're going to have justify content, center, flex direction, column. Let's check that out. Oh, we forgot to add the text in here. Let's add swap, and in here we're going to add lights mode. We're going to come back here, add border none, and border radius 30px. That's more better. Here we're going to add height of 100 vh. That's viewpoint height. I think that's it for CSS, guys. Oh, let's add a font family of sans serif. Now that's it for CSS. Let's add some JavaScript to our code. First, we're going to create a constant here. Const, let's call it toggle btn. This one is going to be for our button. We're going to say equal to document dot query selector. Let's say This one is also going to be toggle btn. We're going to type in our button class right in here. The next is going to be the toggle text. Toggle text, and in here we're also going to have toggle text. Then the last constant here is going to be body. The documents dot query selector. Then we're going to add our body in here without any full stop at the front. Then next we are going to add an event listener. We're going to say toggle btn dot add event listener. This means that an event is going to occur whenever we click this button right over here. Then next we're going to add our arrow function over here. In here we're going to say body dot class list dot toggle dark. Let's check that out. I think that's what we want, but I'd like to change this text to dark mode whenever we are in the dark mode. How we're going to do that is come down here and add a conditional statement. It's going to go like this. We are going to say if body dot class list dot contains dark. That means if the body is in dark mode, let our toggle text dot inner html be dark mode. Then else, this means that if the body is not in dark mode, then this is what is going to happen. Our toggle text, just copy this and paste it down here. Our toggle text is going to be light mode. Let's check that out. As you can see, whenever I'm in the dark mode, the text changes to dark mode, and when I'm in light mode, it changes back to light mode. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.